how to turn on incognito mode on YouTube Chrome. Hello everybody, welcome back. In order to do so, you can follow the step. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open up the incognito tab rather than YouTube. So in your Google Chrome, go over to the three dot at the top and open up your new incognito mode window. And once it opens up like this, all you gotta do is simply go ahead and search for YouTube in the search bar. So it won't save your browsing history, cookies, and site data information entered in Chrome. You can just go ahead and use this mode in YouTube. So type in youtube.com and open up YouTube, and you can access the videos and everything from your YouTube that you would like to view. And once you're done with everything inside incognito YouTube, you can just go over and close it by going over to incognito and close incognito. So this is it. You may follow this method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.